Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've seen any previous videos, then you'll know that I've been in the process of moving, and you'll also be able to tell that things behind me look a little different. So I'm still in the process of setting up my new beauty room, but I wanted to bring you guys along to show you kind of what I have in mind for it. So if you want to see my makeup collection and how I'm storing it, then just keep on watching. So first up, I still have my black toolbox. So in here, I have all of my setting sprays and my concealers and a few little foundation things. In here, I have all of my foundations. This drawer, I have all of my sunglasses and my glasses. This drawer, I have a bunch of hair products. In here, I have various brushes. Here, I have some hair tools. I have some more hair crap. And under here is dedicated to all of my samples and face masks. Over here, this is not hung yet. I have a hairstylist chair that's going to go here. Over in this stand, I have various face oils and creams. And on this side, I have all of my jewelry, my earrings, necklaces, watches, more earrings, more necklaces. These are all my wristbands. I love wearing wristbands. And all of my rings. Over here, I have my new Alex 9 drawer from IKEA. This little thing is just holding some of my favorite brushes that I use all the time. And then I have this I use like every day, so I keep it out. And then I have a few various eyeshadow palettes in here. I have this wine glass with all my sponges. Up here I'd have a few little doodads. I got my Kat Von D. In here I have just some hand lotions and some hairsprays. So into this first drawer, I have all of my powders, the Hourglass, Urban Decay, Huda Beauty, Too Faced, Milk. I've got a little Kat Von D, Laura Mercier, a few other things. These are all my primers. And I got a bunch of these little mini trial size primers. These ones, I love this primer so much. And these are some fragrance samples I have. So that is the first drawer. The second drawer, I have all of my eyeliners. So I've got all my blacks, purples, blues, and greens. Here I have browns and silvers. And here is all my liquid liners. And this is all my eyebrow stuff, except for this. This is an eyeliner. Should go in with that one. So that's drawer number 2. Drawer number 3, I have all of my mascaras. And really, who needs this many mascaras? I don't know. I have all my eyelashes. I have some pigments here. I've got my Tarte chrome paint pots. Top Yacht is my favorite. Got some glitter glues and stuff. Here I have my liquid shadows. That's drawer number 3. Into drawer number 4, I have all of my blushes and bronzers. So, I have my Too Faced. These are beautiful. My MAC one. This one is beautiful. It is in the shade Ambering Rose. Anastasia. All my bronzers and my bronzer palettes. And then I've got this Tarte blush book here. Let's tuck that out of the way. Let's go into this next drawer. I have some of my favorite palettes in it. So I have all of the Anastasia ones. I've got 3 Pat McGrath ones. I've got some Huda Beauty here. These little ones, Mauve Obsessions and Electric. So that's that drawer. Into this drawer is all of my highlighters. So, Kat Von D, Too Faced, Urban Decay, Laura Mercier, Artist Couture, Kat Von D. Here I've got the Dior palette, it's beautiful. Anastasia Amrezy. I've got the new Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb, as well as Sandcastle Minted Mojito and Lightning Dust and Fire Crystal. MAC and Double Gleam is beautiful. Champagne Pop, Prosecco Pop, bunch of little ones. This Charlotte Tilbury Bar of Gold palette. Oh my goodness. I'll open it for you. It is stunning. My new favorite highlighter. Oh my god. To die for. And then I've just got some more palettes along the side. Tarte, McGrath, Little Crush, Jeffree Star, more Tarte. I've got the Natasha Denona Diamond Blush. That's beautiful. The Glow Kit, the Sugar one by Anastasia. And then in this drawer, I have more palettes. So I've got all these Kat Von D ones. Little Crush, Divine, Pastel Goth. Got my Urban Decay Beached, Naked Heat, Moon Dust. The Born to Run palette is amazing. My Too Faced chocolate bar ones. I've got the Tarte Fairy Dust and the Tarte Mermaid collection one. And back here I've got some cheaper palettes, some CoverGirl, some NYX. These are ones I got from beauty subscription boxes. IBY Beauty, The Balm, Crown, Pure, Alamar. That was an amazing palette. Got some Lime Crime, more Too Faced. So that's that drawer. This drawer, I have products I have not used yet. So I have an Ipsy in here that I need to do an unboxing on. I also have this Pure Sweet 16 collector set I need to do a thing on. It's got lipsticks that go with it. Makeup brush. I've got this new Huda Beauty Amethyst. This little Beauty Blender Mystery Sweet Surprise. This set by Milk Makeup. I've always wanted to try their products, so I'm glad I got this. I have a MAC brush down here I need to try. Yeah. Some other crap back here. Makeup wipes, brush cleaner. You get the drift. Crap I need to try and film for you guys. And then this drawer, I have my lipsticks. So this one I still need to organize a little better. And then I have a BoxyCharm here, which I still need to film for you guys as well. Oh, so that's kind of what I have going on right now. If you like these kinds of videos, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified of any upcoming videos, then hit the bell. Leave me comments. Let me know what you guys think so far of the new beauty room. If you guys have any suggestions for organization, I still have some shelves that I want to hang up and around and stuff. But anyways, guys, till next time, have a great day.